Ahadada tibiriba masingu ipong kurumjari aduga nanda masida tibiriba ahalaman marumapang pay puno mapuso amukahan na kurumjari ay dali sida protesto ba sarugya jabasi nasisiga anisu jabani. So I would like to thank Delhi Multi Coordinating Committee for having me today here, and as an artist, social influencer amasu aina ay hagap thotliba irang sige matangda crisis sige matangda social media then national platform kaya amada voice raise tawzaraga sarugya jabani. So masi sinbiri protest asiga manila na wahay amani kitang thamjarangge. It's been complete 4.5 months since the conflict started. Everyone knows the genesis of the conflict, so I'm not going to elaborate who started and why. But taking this opportunity, I would like to put forward few points in front of the nation. First, raping of Meitei women on 3rd May. Till now, nobody speaks about it. When an unfortunate incident of 2 women already naked, we all condemn the situation, we all condemn the incident. Our Maya Paibis condemn the incident and voice of the victim to be arrested. We even demolished their houses and they were arrested immediately. But why this indifference with us? Why this indifferent treatment with our Meitei? Where is the justice of our Meitei women? Well, everyone is so silent. Apoy Meitei yung pigi di ijat like drama. Apoy Meitei yung pigi justice. Where is it? This is the first question I would like to ask everyone. And another thing, a young girl of 16 years old, Luangbi, was missing since 6 July. But nobody speaks about it again. I pray for her safe return and her whereabouts should be found out. Now the government is blaming our Maira Paibis for not being able to control the situation. Instead of accepting the failure of control the conflict, they blame our Maira Paibis. Hajik pawang asi pawa jatharay ng crisis sila, Maira Paibis in imasing day na bagin na tro, ako sa panalaise. I think the more na street katumi ba, and then la iba mayaman mo na hapeng na mamangkang na koy ay pwede ibong ipasing na su lan kambetang ng kumanari imay beli so yang tower mo la malay maslay sila. Instead of that accepting and taking our Maira Paibis, they blame on them. This is not right. So we all should condemn. So today I would like to urge the central government, number 1, to remove AR from Manipur because of their biased treatment in dealing with the situation, and reconsider Sioux agreement as the militants are not obeying the ground rule. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.